beautiful day on the Duwamish River. I'm at Terminal 107 Park. And there's part of the Seattle Skyline. It's not quite visible. That's it. Just in front of the skyline there, that big structure gently sloping up, is the West Seattle Bridge. So you can do a super close-up on that. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful bridge that is temporarily closed. And on the Duwamish, there's lots of activity today. We got duckies out. And you are seeing that correctly. We got ourselves a great heron out. Great heron out. Making lots of friends, doing lots of hunting, looking for food. What a beauteous, beauteous, beauteous day.